Thank you very much. That's a concern to us. It's an information that is everywhere for everybody to see. We have been having meetings with a lot of our stakeholders, very, very important stakeholders in the community. We had some meetings, and more meetings have been slated for tomorrow and then Monday. On the side of the police, our men have been prepared. We have talked to them again and again. Most importantly, we know we don't want it to be the situation of we versus them. We are all in this together. We have been having wonderful partnership with a lot of people, a lot of groups in this state. So we don't expect it to be different now. The officers have been told what to do. We have withdrawn our men from essential duties. We have talked to them. They have been trained again and again. We are ready to hold any situation that brings itself to us in the state.
Okay, sir. Earlier this week, there was a court order barring congresses from the People's Democratic Party. Then, 2 days ago, there was another court order asking them to go ahead. Yesterday, another court order yet again came barring the Congress. As of this moment, I was coming here and I stopped over people are distributing materials to understand what they're doing. So I want to know, as the international police, you are bound to obey court orders, you are bound to obey court judgments. We're going to be enforcing any of these orders, and which of them?
Thank you very much. You have answered the question yourself. A lot of court orders are coming to our heads, and then you said one came out yesterday. I have not gotten it. Thank you.
What about the first one? The first one said, don't go ahead with the court.
I've gotten one that says, go ahead, provide security as well.